Imagine an island where art merges with nature and modern sculptures stand against the backdrop of the tranquil Seto, inland sea. Welcome to Naoshima, Japan's art island. Here the canvas isn't just framed and hung, it's the island itself. Step into the world of stunning architectural marvels, like the Benes House Museum and the Chichu Art Museum, where the works of renowned artists like Yayoi Kusama and James Turrell transform the landscape. Wander outdoors to discover sculptures that playfully interact with the island's natural beauty. Naoshima isn't just a gallery space, it's a living art project. The Art House project turns entire buildings into installations, and IYU, the local bathhouse, offers a splash of art even as you soak in tradition. Every corner of Naoshima is a testament to creativity. For the full Naoshima experience, stay at one of the island's art-infused lodgings. Benes House combines a museum with a hotel, letting you live alongside masterpieces. Or choose a local guest house for a cozy stay that supports the island community. Your gateway to Naoshima is Kansai International Airport, offering direct access to the wonders of the Seto Inland Sea. From there, take a train to Uno Port and a short ferry ride to the island. With options from luxury to budget-friendly, Naoshima is accessible to all who seek its artistic embrace. Ready to turn your travel into a journey through art and discovery? Subscribe to our channel for more hidden gems and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the world's most unique destinations. Comment below if Naoshima has made it onto your travel wish list, and let us journey together into the heart of Japan's cultural paradise. Your island of creativity awaits.